Communal thinking is the secret to the swarm's success.
Some of it is cracking ice, glacier flows, and a fair amount of animals. A lot of pissed off animals. Some bears, some birds, some sea animals.
There she is. That's what all the fuss is about. Oil. It's kind of pretty, isn't it? Oil. Coming up out of the ground to make life a bit more easy for all of us.
So the sound swarm is a networked orchestra of boomboxes and megaphones. It's kind of a noise orchestra that can play sounds to allies or to enemies, to create an atmosphere of hostility or an atmosphere of peace through sound design. I asked for people to submit sounds that they might want the world leaders to hear as they're deciding the fate of the future of the planet, things they might want to consider, things that we need to put in their ear. I used some of those, and then I built a lot of new sounds. It's not explicitly illegal to make a live soundtrack in the street for a public protest.